Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this video. Basically in this video we go through the installation of QTCAD software. I hope everyone received this type of mail where you need to install QTCAD software from clicking on this, download this zip file and also install Visual Studio Code by clicking on this. According to your operating system, please install the VS Code also. My operating system is Windows, so I install Windows version. Here you can see VS Code also downloading. Here you can see the third mini conda which is required for the environment manager. Please download, click on this, and according to your operating system, download the latest one. My operating system is Windows, so that I download according to that. In the download section, you can see QTCAD zip file, VS Code, mini conda also, and also download the license file. After the downloading of QTCAD zip file, mini conda, VS Code, and license, first install the mini conda by double click on next. I agree. Next, according to a specific location, you can browse and click on this add installation to my path environment variable and click on install. Uncheck this box and click on finish. Do the same for the Mac version and Linux operating system if you have different operating system. Let's install the VS Code now. Double click on I accept the agreement, click on next, next, click on create a desktop icon, next, and install. Uncheck this and click on finish. After that, extract the QTCAD zip file, right click, extract all, and you can browse according to your specific location. I choose C drive and create a folder first and select and extract. You can see QTCAD unzip file. Again go to the download section. Here you can see license file. Copy this license file and come inside the C drive, then user, and go to the username and create a new folder here with name dot nano academic. Go inside and again create a new folder with name QTCAD. Go inside and paste the license here. C user admin dot nano academic QTCAD and the license file here. Go to the QTCAD unzip file. Here you can see QTCAD 2.0.3 version. Right click and open in terminal. First, check the Miniconda is successfully installed or not. To check, type Conda version. You can see Miniconda version 25.7.0. It means our Miniconda is successfully installed. For up to now, do the same process for the Linux and Mac operating system. Let's move to the next step and create the virtual environment that will be used to run the QTCAD software. Let's see what is the next command. For a Windows, you can type conda environment update QTCAD win YML file. According to your operating system, you can type this command in your PowerShell or terminal. Conda environment update dash app QTCAD dash win dot YML. Enter. You can see some libraries are installed which are required to run the QTCAD simulation. It will take some time. to install all libraries. Packages are installed successfully. Let's see what is the next step. The next step you can see for Windows, Linux and Mac. Let's first activate the environment with command conda activate QTCAD. After that pip install command. Let's type this command in our PowerShell. Type conda activate QTCAD. You can see from base environment is switched to the QTCAD environment. Now it's time to type second command, which is pip install space and full stop. You can see our QTCAD installed successfully. After the installation of QTCAD, let's install another package, which is Qiskit Metal. You can also see in the folder also of QTCAD. Here you can see Qiskit Metal. Let's install the Qiskit Metal package. Let's see what the next command for the installation of Qiskit Metal. For Windows and Linux, type this command to create the environment for the Qiskit Metal. Conda environment update environment YML and Qiskit Metal. For the Mac, you can type this command. Let's move to the PowerShell and type the command. Let's move to the Qiskit Metal with command cd and type tab. You can move to the Qiskit folder. Type conda env update dash f environment dot yml and Qiskit Metal. At the last, you can give your alternate name also if you want. I give Qiskit Metal environment. It will create the Qiskit Metal environment with the name Qiskit Metal. Enter. These are installed which are required to run the Qiskit Metal. Our package is installed successfully. Now let's see what is the next step. You can see now activate the environment. To activate the environment, type this command conda activate Qiskit Metal and after that pip install. Let's move to the PowerShell and type this command. All commands are same for the all operating system. You can see type conda activate Qiskit Metal. You can see from the base environment is switched to the Qiskit Metal. Now let's type the second command pip install. Type this second command pip install dash dash no dash daps and space full stop and enter. You can see our Qiskit Metal successfully installed. Now let's move to the BS code and run an example to test our QTCAD install successfully or not. First, go to the extension and install the Python and also install Jupyter. Type Ctrl Shift and P and select interpreter. Here you can see QTCAD. Select this and open your folder. Click on open folder in C drive. QTCAD, select example folder, then tutorials, open background charges Python file, and you can see here our interpreter is 3.12.1 QTCAD. Open the terminal, new terminal, our QTCAD environment. Let's open the GMS first. GMS, open the GMS software, go to the file, then open and go in the C drive where QTCAD unzip file. QTCAD, you can see example folder, go inside example folder, then tutorials, then meshes, and open the nanowire background charges geometry file. Click on open. You can see the geometry of nanowire. Click on geometry, mesh, and if you click on 1D, it see the 1D structure, 2D and 3D. Go to the file and click on save mesh file. Replace and close this. Let's run this Python code and see the result. You can see in terminal our Python file started in running condition. You can see some Poisson iteration. Again some Poisson iteration. Here you can see the result, first result. Close this. Second result. And you can see our simulation time and our Python code completed successfully. It means our QTCAD installed successfully. You are facing any issue, please contact us. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.